A new year is here, full of potential.
What are you going to do with it? Well, you can do whatever you want with it.
How about taking up a challenge? Taking something you wish and achieve it. Something that has meaning to you.
Why a challenge? Because challenges are what keeps us going. And if that goal we set for ourselves has meaning for us, then we know it's right.
The path will almost certainly be hard. But if you find your motivation, it will keep pushing you forward. You will be persistent.
You might have to leave some things behind. You might even slip. But we have to keep putting one foot in front of the other. And if you keep your eyes on the goal, you will enjoy every step of the way.
So find something meaningful for you, something that brings you or others joy, and do it in 2019. Because what else is there to do?
We also chose a challenge for us. We want to reach as many people as possible this year and share everything we know about drawing.
We want to do that because we believe that through drawing you start to observe your environment, get to know it and understand it better, and discover things you haven't noticed before.
And if we understand our environment, we can take better care of it and design better spaces for people and nature.
Think about your goals for 2019 and all the things you can accomplish. We wish that you achieve them and enjoy the path that will get you there.
We wish you a year full of wonder, joy, and meaning.
We wish you what? A lot of motivation in the new year.
Creative energy.
May your pens never go out.
Or your stocks of pens and sketchbooks.
May you fill all the pages of your sketchbook.
That's pretty good. And remember, keep on drawing.